Okay, girls, so taking the Lorac Pro Pressed Pigments palette, this is new. First, I'm going to go in with Atomic, and I'm going to run that through the outer V and all throughout the crease, and just blend it and buff it out. Blending is key, major key. Next, I'm picking up Adult, and I'm going to use that to deepen up that outer V and that crease a little bit more. So that's where I'm going to pop it and blend it out and blend it into the Atomic shade. So next I'm just adding some concealer to the lid. This is going to be our base for the next shade. Now I'm just dipping into the shade Girls, because it's a hot girl summer and you know we got it lit. Somebody stop me. Okay, I'm done. Anyway, it's a really bright pink shade, so I'm just going to pop that all over the lid and then blend out that edge into the crease. All I'm doing right here is I dipped back into Adult, and we're just going to deepen up that outer V and crease color a little bit more. My voice is going out. Oh, girl. Okay, so now I'm taking this mellow yellow color. It's called Bolt, and I'm just going to pop it into the inner corners. I thought this would be a really cool addition to our bright and fun look. Now I'm just going to pop on some wings. I'm using the CoverGirl Active Liner. This stuff is legit, you guys. I wear this to the gym, and it does not budge. This is like my favorite liner right now. So we're just going to go ahead and create some wings. Now for some added fun, because there ain't no basic bitches at Hot Girl Summer, so we're taking this Rimmel Wonder Swipe. You can wear this as liner or as shadow, and I'm just going to pop that right on top of my black winged liner, just to define it a little bit, I guess, and just add like a pop of glitter, fun, and all that. Okay, so for mascara, I'm using the Urban Decay Perversion Mascara. This one's my fave. We're going to pop that onto the upper lashes. And with a little magic, because we can do stuff like that on YouTube, bam, lashes. Okay, so this is the finished eye look. Next, we're going to move on to the face.
I legit thought I was recording this whole time. I hope I forgot to hit the record button. Okay, so moving on to the face. I'm just going to be putting on some sunscreen because it's hot girl summer and we have to protect our skin. I'm using this one by Avon. This one's my go-to right now. It's SPF 50 and it smells really nice. It's lightweight too, like it's not greasy or anything, so I like this one a lot. Okay, next I'm just going to prime the skin. I'm using the CoverGirl True Blend Base Business Skin Smoothing. Do you guys use a brush when you put on primer, or do you guys just use your fingers? I like to use my fingers because I can just like press it in, especially like the skin smoothing ones. You just press it into the areas where you feel like your pores are large and in charge. For me, that's like right around this area. Okay, so next I'm just going to correct a little bit because we're looking a little tired. I'm using a MAC lipstick to correct. It's in the shade Sounds Like Noise. I don't think they sell this anymore, but it's just like an orange shade. It's matte, so we're just going to pop that there. A little up there, a little there. Got some redness going on, so I'm just gonna take this, what is this called? Insta Conceal and Correct by Rimmel London. And I'm gonna take the green shade right here and use that to correct any redness I have on my face. Some acne from Dot Week. We're just getting off Dot Week, by the way, TMI, but I'm just gonna blend it all out with this brush here. Okay, so for foundation, I'm going in with the CoverGirl Full Spectrum Matte Ambition All Day Shine Free Foundation. I know I didn't have to read all that, but I did. Just make sure to blend down the neck. You never want to look crazy with your neck and your face, 2 different colors. Okay, so for concealer, I'm just going to use the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Sand. Okay, so to get a little contour going, I'm going to be using the Rimmel London Insta Duo Contour Stick in Light Clair. I'm going to chisel them cheeks a little. And turn this 5 head into a 3 head.
I know, I have a big ass forehead. I'm well aware.
Okay, so now to set everything, I'm just going to take the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. This stuff is my holy grail. I cannot live without this powder. Alright, so now to get a little sun-kissed, I'm using the Radiance Brick by Rimmel London. It's like a multi-shimmer bronzer. It's giving us a bronzed hot girl summer glow. Okay, so now for a little bit more contour, I'm going to be using the Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow sculpting shade until I use it a lot because we've hit a legit pan. I'm just going to sculpt a little bit. I'm also going to use that to contour my nose. I feel like I can't live without contouring my nose. It's like once you do it, it's like eating an Oreo. You just can't stop. I'm just taking the shimmery side and popping that onto the bridge. Okay, so for blush, I've been really into cream or I guess liquid blushes lately. I've been using the NARS one. This one's in the shade Orgasm because it's orgasmic. So I'm just gonna dab it with my fingers and then go in with a brush. I like to keep it on the apples of my cheeks because I know sometimes people like to go for the whole, you know, center of the face area just so it looks a little bit more like a natural sun-kissed glow, but I like to go for the cheeks right here. All right, so moving on to highlights. So I think for today, I'm gonna go for this CoverGirl one. And I'm just gonna take both of these shades and kind of mix them together. Give myself a nice little, ooh, I forget how legit these things are. Super glowy. CoverGirl is not playing with anyone with this. You could get too crazy with this. But I mean, is there such thing as too much highlight?
I don't know.
I can't call it. You can see me on Neptune. So the next thing I'm gonna do really quick is I have these 2 moles on my face that tend to get covered by like foundation and concealer. So I'm just gonna go ahead and uncover that. I'm just taking this little brush, picking my finger, completely unsanitary, you know, and I'm just gonna kind of get the foundation off of them. There we go. Okay. Okay, so we just have to work on this under eye area and then we'll be done, I promise. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do first, I'm just gonna take the Laura Geller Incredible Waterproof Gel Eyeliner Pencil. Just gonna take that. I'm gonna run that under here, just on the outer third, just to give myself some more definition. And then I'm just gonna take Adult from the palette and I'm gonna set that with that. So then I'm just gonna go back in with that yellow color from the same palette and take that all up in here. I probably should have dusted that off.
Always dust off your brushes, people.
And then what I think I want to do is I'm going to spray my brush with some MAC Fix Plus. And then I'm going to go in with Party. And just add a little bit of sparkle and shimmer. It's not hot girl summer without some glitter. And lastly, I'm just taking the Laura Geller Lash Boss Mascara. And we're just going to pop that onto the lower lashes. Oh, this is when we start looking crazy. Okay. You just cannot do this without looking crazy. You cannot look cute putting on lower lash mascara. Okay, so then for the lips, I'm just going to combine these two. I'm using the MAC lip pencil in Boldly Bare. And then I'm going to use the Kylie Velvet Liquid Lipstick in Charm. Okay, and last but not least, because it is hot girl summer and we want our makeup to last all day and night long, we have our Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. And voila, that's gonna be it for this makeup tutorial. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Would you guys wear it? I know it's like very bold and bright and in your face, but you know, hot girl summer, that's how we do. But anyway, yeah, let me know if you guys would wear it down below in the comment section. Thumbs up the video if you liked it. And if you're new to my channel and aren't a subscriber, don't forget to hit the subscribe button on your way out. And oh, also don't forget to hit that little bell because that's gonna tell you anytime I upload a new video. I know I haven't uploaded videos that often lately, and I'm so sorry. But I am gonna start uploading videos a lot more now. Mia's in school, she's in school pretty much all day long, so I have a lot more time on my hands to make moves. All right, so I'm gonna go. Hope you guys have a hot girl summer. Thank you for watching, I love you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.